I'm putting this side on first. My dad's helping me jack up the car. Got the hubcaps back here. Got this side done. It's a huge difference. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a quick little walk around in my car. I'm at 124 miles right now, which is really not that bad. It's the interior. There's one small rip, which doesn't really bother me. Small mods to the car. I put LED angel eyes. I put carbon fiber stickers on the BMW emblem. I put the BBS style 5s. These took me a while. I took them apart, painted the center cap, the face of the wheel, the bolts, and I polished out the lip. I'm running 205 4017 Toyo tires. Riding on eBay coilovers. They're really not bad at all. They're not even bouncy. Huge difference with the BBS style 5. And I forgot to say, I put blacked out grills. Made the car look more better in my opinion.